Nasa
437, yeah, this is ready for pickup. 437.
Meron kaming durian. Wait. Tapos, santol. Ay. There's a santol, guys. Oh, may santol siya, guys. Sana all. May santol pala din, guys. Pero bakit napakatigas?
My favorite.
Yeah, get one. Diba, guys? May santol. Kano ko yan? Isa. Bakit may isa nito? Ang tigas niya, guys.
It's
Santol.
moving.
Okay. Paano ba ito kainin, guys? Kasi matigas siya, naka-frozen kasi siya, guys. So, hindi ko kung paano siya kakainin, guys. Ano ba ito? Paano ito